In this video, I'm just simply unboxing the Hypervolt Go 2, which is a tool I 100% love and use in the clinic daily. What I really truly love about it is the weight and the ease of use. It's a short stock or a short grip on the handle, but it feels awesome to use. The tool is super lightweight, so you can use it on any hand, and the attachments are really easy to get in and out. 100% something I recommend for my clients who come in the clinic who are interested in doing a lot more in-home self-care and are willing to invest a little bit to get the results they need in between the massage sessions. So for anyone looking to see what it looks like, this is a great way of checking out the product. But again, 100% recommend this. This is something we use every day, and it's something that's available in the clinic. So anytime you're ready to come by and give it a shot or make a purchase, just let me know. Thanks.
I'm Stephen Conti, founder of Tokar Spa. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest self-care and wellness videos. Want to receive a personal massage at home? Learn about our couples massage lesson video series in the link above.